In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious new snack recipe. Welcome to Tasty Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need cooked penne pasta, 1 cup of pasta sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of pepperoni sliced, and skewers. Onto each of the skewers, we're going to add 10 pieces of the penne pasta. Place on a baking sheet. We're going to use a brush to brush on the pasta sauce onto both sides of the pasta skewers. Add the shredded cheese on top of the pasta. Now we're going to add our sliced pepperoni on top. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Our new snack recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.